The Hot Wheels City Downtown Ice Cream Shop Playset is a fun, colorful addition to the Hot Wheels City lineup, built around a simple cause and effect moment that keeps kids playing longer. The main feature is the ice cream-themed launcher that sends cars speeding through the shop and out onto the street, creating a quick, satisfying burst of action every time. Kids love the bright colors, the oversized ice cream cone sign, and the playful theme that feels different from the usual police, fire, or construction sets. The play pattern is straightforward. Load the car, hit the launcher, and watch it blast through the shop doors. It's easy for younger kids to operate, and the chunky pieces hold up well to repeated use. Parents appreciate that the set is lightweight, simple to assemble, and doesn't rely on batteries or complicated mechanisms. The track ports line up cleanly with other Hot Wheels City sets, so it connects smoothly into larger layouts without forcing anything to fit. Buyers consistently mention that this set works best as a fun little flavor piece in a bigger city build, adding personality and color without taking up too much space. The included Hot Wheels car is a nice bonus, and the theme naturally encourages storytelling. Kids imagine customers, deliveries, and quick getaways through the shop. The doors swing open cleanly, the launcher has a satisfying snap, and the whole structure feels sturdy enough for everyday play. It's not a stunt-heavy set, but it delivers reliable, repeatable action that younger kids especially enjoy. Overall, the Hot Wheels City Downtown Ice Cream Shop Playset is a charming, easy-to-use addition that brings a playful theme and quick action to any Hot Wheels City setup. If you're looking for a compact set that adds personality, color, and a fun launch moment to your child's collection, this one fits perfectly into the lineup.